Why is your competitor, the one with the weaker offer, even the one with the weaker results, getting all the calls, all the conversions, while your calendar, your DMs are still empty? I built content systems for founders who want videos that buyers find, engage with, and trust. Now, the answer to that question isn't your hooks or editing or the system, is the three things about the idea itself. Get these right, and your content changes overnight. But let me show you proof first so that you know that I'm not kidding with you on this one. One of my clients runs a health and performance brand new Instagram account, under 800 followers. He posted two videos. First one hit 663,000 views, while the second one hit 178,000 views, over 800,000 combined views, almost zero audience. And it wasn't just views, his DMs flooded with real leads. People typing the keyword from his bio, wanting to message him and to get access to get on a call with him. Therefore, he went from under 1,000 followers to over 6,000 followers of only two videos. And when we jumped on a call to debrief, he was literally in a disbelief.
And I also was talking to some creators about this because I think I had some of the best performing content for the entire event and the smallest audience on the platforms. And so like these business guys that I was talking to were like, holy shit, like you drove 1 million impressions or like 850K impressions on Instagram and you had 1,000 followers. Like as guys that work in the business of sports, they were like, this is unbelievable from a marketing potential standpoint because it's free, right? Like obviously like you invest our time and resources, but like otherwise it's not a paid advertisement.
Organic. So what made those two videos hit with everything else on the account they removed? Again, not the editing, not the hooks, but these three things about the video idea. And I'm going to show you all three right now. Just a quick one. The framework that I'm going to be explaining right now, I've actually pulled it into a skill that you can use to plug it into your ChatGPT, into your Claude, into your workflow to know if your idea is even worth recording, if it's actually worth even putting time into it. It's a free download, so make sure you use it and let me know in the comments what do you think about it. Now let's start. Here are the three checkboxes. Checkbox 1, uniqueness. A unique point of view. You can take any topic and make it feel original just by putting your own angle on it. Your expertise, your experience, your take on where everyone else in your niche has it wrong. That's what makes an idea feel worth instead of like the 10th video on the same subject, so-called copycats that you see all the time. But the fastest way to find yours is look at what's already out there and ask yourself, what is everyone getting wrong about this? Or ask yourself this, what do I actually believe that goes against the grain? That's your point of view. One shift in framing and the topic that's been doing 100 times over is suddenly worth clicking on. It's unique. Checkbox 2, relevancy. I also call this implementability. The idea needs to connect to something happening right now, a current event, an active conversation in your niche, something your audience, your buyers are thinking about today, not 6 months from now, and something they can actually act on immediately. For example, those two videos that I showed, they were tied to enhanced games. It was a new sporting event dominating conversations in the health and performance space at the time. Now, his audience was already talking about it. Now, what he did was he just brought his offer into that conversation. That way, you're not fighting for attention with everyone else by copying the ideas the worst way. What you're doing is you're actually walking straight into already established conversations where your buyers already live. And lastly, checkbox 3, the controversy. The biggest one. Controversy for the shock value. Content that breaks a belief your audience already holds. The idea, something controversial, that goes the against thinking of your niche. When that happens, people don't just watch, they actually share. And shares pull in people who weren't following you. Shares bring back people who were quiet. And the algorithm pushes share content because a share means someone felt strongly enough to put their name on it and send it to another person. You can literally miss uniqueness. You can even miss relevancy, the implementability. But if the idea is genuinely belief breaking, it will find an audience. Controversy is the most powerful checkbox of the tree. Let me repeat that. Controversy is the most powerful checkbox of the tree, and is the one most people avoid because a strong public stance feels risky. That risk is exactly why it works. Quick reminder, if you want help building this kind of idea, belief breaking engine around your offer, the content article is in the description. Here's what people get backwards even after learning these three checkboxes. They spend 70% of their energy, of their time on production, on distribution, the recording, the editing, the thumbnails, the captions, and maybe 30% or even less, 10%, 5% on the idea itself. Now flip that around. Spend 70% of your time on the idea. Get the three checkboxes right first, then let execution take the rest. Get someone to help you with the execution. Focus on the idea itself. When the idea is right, the hook writes itself. I'm promising you. The editing, it just enhances something that already works. The thumbnails or the covers already sell something people already want to click on. It all starts with an idea. Your competitor isn't ahead because they have a better production system, distribution system. They're probably spending just more time on the right thing before they even click that red record button. And if you want me to build this whole system around your offer, the idea belief breaking system, plus the production, plus the execution, and create a content funnel that turns your videos into trust assets and conversion assets, you can book a free content article. And in those 15 minutes, I'll look at what your content is doing right now, and I'll give you one highest leverage move for your business, and we'll figure out if it actually makes sense for us to work together. Link is in the description. See you there.